Friends, good morning again. This is Shamul here. Today I got little time. These poetries are small poetry. It requires 5-10 minutes. I am just reading and not even reciting, right? I am not a very seasoned kind of poet that I should recite with emotion. This is my own poetry. The way I want to read it, I can read it, no problem. Uyer chor, uy, uy, uy. This is a small kind of insect. Lives inside soil মুইয়ের চর মনে পড়ে সেদিনের কথা বাবা হাঁপাতে হাঁপাতে এসে বললেন চলে যেতে হবে আমাদের ভাতের থালায় আঁক করতে করতে বলেছিলাম বাবা কোথায় একটি কথাও বের হয়নি শেষ যাত্রার আগে পুডলি মাথায় ঘাড় ঘুরিয়ে দেখি মা প্রণাম সারছেন বেলগাছটার তলায় বাবা কি যেন একটা খোঁজার চেষ্টা করছেন ছেড়ে এলাম আমার সাধের মেডেলটা আর স্মৃতি ঘেরা কয়েকটা বছর আম জাম খেজুর জারুল পারুলের দৌরত্ব ছেড়ে অজানা পথে তুলসীতলার গাছটা জল না পেয়ে ধুকছে কুকুরটা মুখ গুজে উঠোনের কোণে পড়ে আছে পৃথিবীর তারার সাথে ওদের মেলে না কিছুই সামনের পেঁপে গাছটায় ফল ধরেছে সাধের গোলাপে কুড়ি এসেছে সবাই যেন কেমন নীরব নিথর ছোট্ট মিনি উঠোনের কোণে রোদ পোয়াচ্ছে সব দেখে পা এগুতে চাইছিল না মা চাবির গোছাটা ভালো করে ধরে কি যেন করতে থাকে চাবির গোছা আজ কয়েক খণ্ড লোহা এতদিন আগলে থাকার যন্ত্রণা ভুলে আজ নিরুদ্দেশ যাত্রী আমরা এগিয়ে চললাম Well, this poetry was written in 1989, and this poetry was written for the people, Kashmiri Pandit, that is driven out from Kashmir by none other than my good friends, my Muslim brothers, not the sister brothers. I don't know, their brothers are not till they are alive. In 1989, I was just completing my graduation, and that time Muir Chor. It is written that how the family is moving out from their own home and driven out very forcefully. They are moving out, they are not willing to move, and finally they have to move to save their life. Can you imagine, from Kashmir to coming to Jammu, settling all kind of Kashmiri Pandits, all Hindu friends and colleagues. I have so many friends in 1990s, they have moved out. Some of my employee, they also worked for my company where I'm working initially, the Raina and Sarmas, and my lot of professors, they are all of Kashmir origin. They are teaching some of the universities in India. Because of fear, my close friends, they are from origin from Kashmir. I have visited Kashmir many times, that I have seen the charged house, all Sarmas, Rainas and all those things. This is a nice house still. You can see a lot of charged house fire, and maybe if you can take your microscope, you can see also blood stain is there. So friends, this is a sad story, but a lot of people are enjoying in India, like Arundhati Roy, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal making fun of everybody while they are making money, and they're making all kind of false narrative and telling that those kind of videos are not real. My only question is, I think their parents, they have not lived in Kashmir, and they could have got the real taste of what? Taste of moving and pushing them out, killing in front of father is been killed in front of their kids, brothers and sisters. This Nara Sanghar that have not seen not by Arvind Kejriwal, because he's a mechanical engineer or what engineer, he doesn't have that imagination and power, probably that's why he could not imagine. I told many times, if Arvind Kejriwal parents used to live in Kashmir, imagine for some time he was driven out and thrown out from Kashmir to hell, then what he used to do. That time Arvind Kejriwal might be 22, 23, 24 years old guy. He used to see in front of them how these Muslim brothers are doing and treating his parents right. That much feeling you should have. That's why the same feeling, if you want to bring into any film, that imagination or that kind of thought process must be there. This is again imagination. All creative world is full of imagination. I have never seen my brothers and sisters, never been to, they're not the Kashmiri Pandits, but I can feel and imagine the pain they have gone through. Like Arundhati Roy. Okay, you don't have any problem. You have one counterpart in Bengal and another is in Kerala. Two communists fused together, and you have Arundhati Roy. What you will understand? You won't understand. You only understand the communism, FECU communism, and your FECU, all kind of awards what you have got. I told you are number of one hypocrite. Till India has given you very good treatment, but the more you do this chapang chapang pakong pakong takong pakong takong chapang, and you will be getting the treatment like Rana Ayub, what she is getting. Somebody stopping them at airport. Her account has been freezed, and I told that her all accounts must be freezed. And long back I published one video she's publishing from America, and that video, if anybody is listening about the Kashmir, she was speaking a lot of things. She's having a lot of shallow knowledge about the Kashmir. Washington Post, Rana Ayub, are you listening? I am speaking from toilet. I told that time, तुम्हारा भी दिन आएगा, अच्छा दिन आया तुम्हारा, अच्छा दिन नहीं आया, बुरा दिन आया. बरखादत नहीं, बुरा दिन आया, बुरा दिन, बुरा. No friends, this is a poetry, to be very honest with you, and if anybody is understanding, leaving their own motherland and moving out the way it is happening in Ukraine, millions of people is migrating to Europe. Can you imagine? You have your own house, you have your own establishment, living. Somebody is destroying everything forcefully, charging bomb. What an idiotic idea, kind of an aggression, destroying millions of lives, millions of hopes, education system and everything. I talked about what is this nonsense knowledge and wisdom what we have. We are not able to tell Russia, look, you stop this nonsense business. We are not able to tell. World will be much more better place for survival if few countries stop all kind of activities. Number one is America, number two Russia, number three China. I think time has come. God must be reshuffling them. Like they should give them wisdom to have Good things sometimes I feel if there is a possibility by any mechanism when you can switch over some country from one place to another place. Like Vishwanathan playing chess. Playing chess, play chess, no problem. Switch over. King, queen, all kind of things. Okay, you don't like this country, you switch over to another country. All those war-phobic countries, they should be in one place. Sometimes I feel this is reshuffling how the idea it would be. Like China, America, and Russia in one continent. Let them be there. All the peace-loving countries should be one continent. The neutral will be one continent. Now, God, you must exercise your knowledge and wisdom, and this reshuffling business you should do it. Otherwise, you do something. So if you try to put all three like big nation together, war, they love to have war. They can sitting from one place like three brothers or four brothers sitting in one place and making kind of a love mission or vision, giving the whole world. And if they do also want to work, they can fight in between to test their fighting skill. They can do that. It's a neighboring country. But whoever is not liking, let them live peacefully. This Mother Earth doesn't belong to anybody, for that matter. Mr. Putin, it is not for you. It is for everybody. For me, for my cats, for my dogs, for my rats, my ants, aunties and aunties ka aunties, all those trees. Oh, okay, also for the trees. Humans are so aggressive. I told our share is not even 1%. It is less than 1% human share in the total Mother Earth of all living organism. Till we are so powerful, so aggressive. So finally we take shelter inside the bunker. You see the wild animals there. If you go to South Africa or any African countries, right, you see the wild animals, they are roaming inside jungle, they are dancing. But our political leaders, they have so much fear. In the name of aggression, they make bunker also in advance. How much time this bunker businesses will be going on? Better, I think this is the time has come. Whole world should come together. Have for 10 years or 20 years only peace. You eat, think about peace, two type of peace, sleep and peace. Economy will be fine. There will be no corona, there will be no Omicron, there will be no vaccination. The whole world will be much more safer place. This much I can tell you. Morning I talked about few trillions of dollars that is been spent on those wars for last 100 years. If this much money could have spent for the development of economy, education, science and technologies, the world could have been in much better shape. This much I can tell you. I am speaking from toilet because my words has got no meaning. But I like the person like Nelson Mandela and American President Abraham Lincoln. Many great leaders, they talked about those issues many a times. Please don't follow me, follow them. But YouTube, you must not block them. That is what. For knowledge and wisdom, you must keep all kind of people in public domain. They are nobody's property at all. Same thing in our country. Our present Prime Minister is a peace-loving person. He is a man of vision. This much I can tell you. I wish Mr. Narendra Modi must be in a neutral zone, and whatever is trying to speak with clarity. Don't get into the conflict part. India can survive without anybody's help. I talked about many times. India can survive even without your Asian Union. We have Aryan civilization. We have Harappa, Mohenjo-daro. We have big universities like Nalanda. Even though Amartya Sen doesn't like to continue as a vice chancellor over here, doesn't matter. He likes America. He likes America very much. Doesn't matter. We don't care about Amartya Sen. Forget about those fake Nobel Prize winner. There are many good people are there. They know their economy well. How to develop economy, they know. Everybody knows everything. Those theories are useless theory. They are enjoying their life at the cost of big industries money. They are opening up poverty labs. J.Paul Loud Foundation. J.Paul Loud Foundation is CEO, not CEO, that is the founder, director, or the mentorship by Dr. Abhijit Probati Lab, J.Paul Lab Foundation. What a nice and brilliant idea. In the name of Probati business, what kind of things are going on? They will have peacekeeping mission also, no problem. But the problem is not there. How come they are doing business in that sense? They are marketing executive sales guy to bring business in this J.Paul Lab Foundation. I have pointed out to Dr. Abhijit and his beloved second wife. Yes, second wife. Student come wife. It's a nice combination. Nice mentorship of economics. Sustainable economy and sustainable life, good things. Same thing Amartya Sen, I told that he talks about population control, many issues, but he doesn't care about his own population. He got 3 marriages in India, UK, and also America. How many kids? No problem. One can check out my videos for that matter, friends. I'm finishing this thing. My problem with this Kashmir, this problem has to be resolved. I want to see that all the houses, burned houses, renovated. All the people who left Kashmir, they should be taken back and given shelter over there. They should take the position of their own house and they should live peacefully over there. That next generation, right? 1990 means it is almost 32 years gone down the line. The house is having a lot of maybe the plaster has gone, wall has broken down, no drainage system. Maybe you need to demolish the whole house and rebuild it. Doesn't matter. You can rebuild the house and you can make a good house, G+1, right? You can see the Dal Lake. I want to see Amitabh and Rekha, my cat, 2 kittens, right? Silsila picture, new shooting is happening in this beautiful iconic garden. I had been to that iconic garden of so much flowers. In old days, Amitabh Bachchan is dancing with Rekha again. Yeah, that song, I'm forgetting this song. I'm very bad in song. Silsila. Okay, Silsila. Nice Sila. प्यार का गीत सुनाओ, नया कोई गीत सुना. जावेद जी है ना अंकल, नया गाना लिखो. क्या सिलसिला 2 बनाओ, सिलसिला 3 बनाओ, सिलसिला 4 बनाओ. जावेद जी गाना गाएंगे आजकल दिन में. जो नया एक्टर है जाएंगे कश्मीर में, गाना गाएंगे. झाड़ी का नीचे, वो ग्लैडियोलस का पीछे, तुलिप फ्लावर का पीछे गाना गाएगा. कितना मजा आएगा, मजा ही मजा. जावेद जी आप नहीं गा पाओगे, हम लिखेंगे. लेकिन मेरा गाना फिल्म इंडस्ट्री क्यों लेगा? नहीं, मेरा चाचा भतीजा कोई नहीं है, कोई नहीं लेगा हमारा गाना. हम बिल्ली को देखिए डांस कराएंगे. हम जाएंगे, शूटिंग करेंगे, डांस करेंगे. सिलसिला 5 बनाएंगे. Dimension 1, Dimension 2, Dimension 3, 4th dimension, 5th dimension silsila. That will be very scientific. There will be a lot of turbulence among the flowers, petal and sepal, petal, all those things. There will be sporulation, there will be nodulation, there will be bulb tumors. Nothing. Good things will happen. All scientific song. like people talk about Taj Mahal, the love of Shahjahan. I swear this is not love. Real love you will see in Kalyani University. Dr. Vidhan Chandra Roy, you are the true lover. you can establish one university in Kalyani's name. Who is Kalyani? Your beloved and beloved. Okay, beloved, evergreen and never-ending love. And you made one university, Kalyani University. I like Dr. Vidhan Chandra Rai. Told in science, if anybody is understanding these things, this is a pure love. In the name of girlfriend, you are making one university called Kalyani University. Has anybody is aware? I think many of us are aware, but I am forecasting. This is a nice thing. So if you have somebody like this, you accumulate some money, maybe some FD, then you take 1 gunta jamin, like 1 gunta jamin, and make a name of a university, your ex-lover or your ex-boyfriend or anybody for that matter. Doesn't matter. How does it matter? But people will be going and studying there. And you make a kind of a stone. This is in the memory of my ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend. This university was established. Such a nice thing. The Vidhan Chandra Rai can do that. I have a lot of respect for Vidhan Chandra Rai. Whatever had happened in Bengal because of Vidhan Chandra Rai. Jyoti Basu died in Salt Lake and he has gone to heaven or hell. No, in Hindu. So your Atma doesn't go to heaven or hell. It is very much there. It has taken a small communist or dictatorship. I don't know. Only Jyoti Basu can tell. Friends, I want to finish this topic. I don't like to extend it. This is almost again 31 minutes, something like that. This is not clear. So, bye-bye. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Kashmiri Pandits, please go back to Kashmir. Now Article 370 is हट गया एकदम हट गया. उसके लिए भी राणा आयोग का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. आपको जब एयरपोर्ट में अटक देता है उसमें भी आपका प्रॉब्लम है. नहीं, प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज डूइंग द राइट थिंग. नो प्रॉब्लम. So bye bye. Take care Rana Ayog. Take care Barkha Didi. You are not my Didi. You are of my same age probably. Take care Rajdeep Sardesai. You are a nice fellow. Take care Chanakya Prashant Kishore. We'll meet once. I don't know where, but I'll definitely meet you. I'll meet you wherever you feel. Maybe in Patna University you can organize something. I'll come. I know a lot of professors in Patna University, or in Muzaffarpur University, or in Pusha Institute, Samastipur, or you Borlong Research Institute, Birsha, kahin bhi bula, or Northeast region. There is a research institute of ICR. Wherever you say, I'll come. We'll speak. You'll speak on development. You speak on how Dharam kan Rajniti. I'll try to see that which one is getting more priority and importance. That's all. Thank you once again. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Bande Mataram. Taram, taram, taram. Not garam. Cool down. Cool down. You must bring down temperature, your body temperature to a normal temperature, the chassis. If you drive for 2 years, you should allow engine to cool down for another half an hour. Even it is Tesla car also, no problem. You should give some time to take rest. Thank you very much. Again, bye-bye. Because my speech is not prepared. Every time I say thank you, I should give thank you to thank you also. Right. Thank you very much. Bye. Thank you.